Hey friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania. Hammers are swinging, drills are running, and we are getting the framing put up here in the basement. We showed you the before pictures a little bit earlier. So we are starting to get things done, make things happen, getting ladders up to box in the mechanicals so that we can run drywall around those, and kind of finishing off this end down here to the left, getting that run across, and then once that's finished, we can come back underneath and get our supports that we're going to hang our sheets from on the underside of that. So we're making pretty good progress here. Wanted to show you an update just so you know where we're at. And kind of cranking. We had a little bit of a holdup over on the other side. We've got something we need to look at and evaluate and make sure it's not going to cause us a problem down the road. So we're holding up on the framing on that far wall for now. But we're going to keep going with everything else and keep rocking and rolling and moving in the direction that we need to go. So if you've got a basement if you want finished, if you've got a bathroom that you want renovated, if you want a kitchen that you want to make over, give us a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and then extension 2 for new projects. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, when we're done with it, you're going to be proud to say it's not just done. It was CopeBUILT. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.